Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to replace the transmission fluids for the Lexus 2016 Lexus RX350. This one I recommend you gotta go from dealer, your local dealer, to buy the transmission fluid. They call it ATF WS. So you have to use this one better because that's why the manufacturer is. You don't worry about anything. So very easy. The fill transmission fluid over here, the 24 socket. You have to use 24 socket. The trend, you have to use the 17 Allen key, and they call it Torx T40. So they have like this, like the star, but I mean like a T40. To trend that the T40, you use this one for how to yield how much for the fluid. You trend everything now, and you know when whatever you got, like 3.5 liter, and then you put exactly the same. You don't worry about temperature and level. So for my opinion, all the time I do that because I do this one a lot. So they want a 3.5 or less 3.5. That's done. That's it. You put everything together. You don't need to run the car or level. That's it, done. 3.5 maximum. That's all. Okay. So let's do it together. Okay. So first I will use the T40 with the trend, the tip for. You wanna take it out for the level. You put it on later, a T40. Okay. Yes. So the Allen key number 17, that one for the tip for the level. So we take it out up there, okay? So now what I have to do, I'm gonna take the 24, the fueler over there, make it trend more easy. So now we use Allen key number 17 right here. Oh, dirty. Because I'm only 360,000 K, never been jammed. I recommend a 90,000 K for any Lexus or any car. And after that, if you believe me, you have to do every year, no matter what. 25,000 K, you place this one or two. So this one for the level. When you get hot, you can all the way down, and that's perfect. But believe me, it's 3.5 or 3 liter and quarter, and that's perfect. or you don't know, you turn anything down and you take it out and you put on how much, and then you put exactly the same. Okay, that's very easy, simple. So after this, put back together. If you want to change the seal over here, it's up to you. There's the O-ring, not a big deal. So now put back together. I'll take them up. It's about to be in the 30-40 foot-pound, but if you don't know how to tie, you by hand only for 3 ratchet. It tight, that's it, not over tight, okay? You can feel that if you know how to do that, you over here. Okay, so now this is the little over here for the trend. So I put back together too. I don't need to check the level because I really know how many liter already. This one for you check the level, okay? You know, like 10 foot-pound, not much. Not much, don't take too much. By hand only, okay? That's it. Lay them up. I'm gonna fill that. I'm gonna show you how I use the fuse, okay? Go on the top. Okay, anyone, I have this one for the fueler. It's a little easy for me because I don't want to put the panel over there, not easy, right? So I'm gonna fill up the transmission oil right now. Okay, I put 3.5 liters. I'm gonna fill it up and that's it. One. Two. 3. Okay, I put a 3.25. That's it. Don't put too much. Okay. If you really don't know how much, you can call the dealer and they tell you how much exactly, or no matter what, you take it out how much, you put in exactly the same. But believe me, because I do a lot of Toyota, Honda and Lexus, right? So that's why I know how much exactly I filled up. So now I filled up this one by machine. I'm going to show you with the air on. A little bit noisy, but I mean, like, I want to show you guys how I'm going to fill up this one. Okay, right here. It takes about like 5 minutes to fill up. Make it easy, because if you don't have the machine, a little bit hard to do it. You can use the hose and Okay, anyone, I really share the video how to replace the transmission fluid for the 2016 Lexus RX350. Very simple. I recommend the oil from Toyota WS, ATF WS. From Toyota Lexus to whatever, the same, exactly the same. Okay, the Lexus at 3.25. It's over 3 a little bit, not 3.5. Okay, you put back together, and that's it. You good to go. You don't need to check the level or whatever. Okay. Thank you very much for your watching my video. See you next video. Ciao.